Hello guys, this is Steno for All YouTube channel. Here we provide you Hindi or English shorthand dictations at different speed. Today I am going to provide you English dictation at this. This is 80 word per minute shorthand dictation. So get ready. Start. Tulsi Das, who wrote one of the several influential versions of the Ramayana, described Ram Rajya as a place where everyone felt free to do what they were supposed to do and where there was no fear, sorrow, or disease. Mahatma Gandhi recognized the values of Ram Rajya as a shared universal consciousness. Underlying the articulation of both these exponents of Ram Rajya was the conception of a citizen as a free being, bound by laws. The final quest of all of life is freedom. This means that life as we know it is not free. We are all struggling from bondage to freedom. What binds us? We are bound by one law or the other. What is a law? Any event or phenomenon that repeats itself is a law. For example, an apple seed will always produce an apple. This seed will keep on producing apples. Perhaps 1 million apples will come from that one seed. An apple seed will not produce bananas because an apple seed is bound by its own law. It is programmed to produce apples. All of nature is nothing but an expression of laws, the repeated occurrence of form and phenomena. By this law, a fish learns to swim and an eagle learns to soar in the sky. By this very law, our hearts beat 72 times a minute and our body temperature is maintained at 98.6 Fahrenheit. So, to break a law is to go against nature and risk one's life. Finding freedom, can we therefore ever be free? We can, provided we learn to look beyond nature's law bound forms toward something deeper that is always free. That is slightly difficult to explain, but one can try. Take a long rope and tie it into a knot in the middle. As you tighten the knot, it takes a definite shape. The knot is bound by its own nature. If the knot were alive, it would imagine itself to be a knot that is limited within the shape of the knot. But Someone who has tied the knot will know that all that it requires for the knot to be free is to pull at the right place. The knot breaks free and straightens into a rope again. So, what is required to find freedom is just this knowledge that you are not a knot. Just this awareness that if you look beyond your physical form to your original state, which is formless and free, you indeed become free. What is that formless state? Classical Indian wisdom calls this state Adhyatma. The compound word Adhyatma is a combination of two words Adhi plus Atma, which means awareness of self. The human body-mind complex is animated and powered by this spiritual dimension called Atma, that can be described as soul or self. The body is the hardware, the mind is the software, and Atma is the UPS, uninterruptible and independent power source.